From a forgotten relic, a legend is reborn. Every great story has a humble beginning. Ours starts with a forgotten shell, a ghost of adventures past. We see it huddled in the shadows of a forgotten garage, a testament to time's relentless march. Rust creeps along its panels like ancient ivy, a deep corrosive orange against the ghost of its once vibrant paint. The chrome, once a mirror to the world, is now a dull, pitted gray. Its tires are flat, surrendering to the weight of years of neglect. Inside, the story is just as bleak. The upholstery is torn, the stuffing peeking out like a silent scream. The dashboard is a graveyard of cracked plastic and faded dials. It's a hollowed-out memory, a vessel that has forgotten the feel of the open road, waiting for a spark to reignite its soul. But where some see an end, we see a beginning. The transformation commences with a raw, determined energy. In a blur of motion, the van is stripped down, piece by agonizing piece, until only its skeletal frame remains, the very bones of its being. This is not just a repair, it's a resurrection. Sparks fly as grinders smooth away decades of decay, revealing the pristine metal hidden beneath. Our team moves with a surgeon's precision, mending the wounds of time, patching the holes, and reinforcing the body for the power that is to come. The heart of the beast is next. We hoist a new high-power engine into the empty bay, a gleaming marvel of modern engineering, promising untamed strength. The interior is reborn from the ground up. Custom-built cabinetry, crafted from rich dark wood, begins to take shape. Plush, elegant fabrics replace the tattered remnants of the past. Wires are meticulously run, connecting a network of soft, ambient lighting designed to create an atmosphere of pure tranquility and modern luxury. Then comes the magic, the rapid-fire heartbeat of the project. A quick succession of images flashes across the screen, a visual duel between then and now. A split screen reveals the rusted, dented fender on one side and its flawlessly painted, gleaming counterpart on the other. A quick fade transitions from the cracked, lifeless dashboard to a fully digital, glowing control center. The torn, stained seats dissolve into a shot of the new hand-stitched leather. Each cut is a declaration of victory, a powerful, rhythmic montage showcasing the dramatic shift from forgotten to unforgettable, from ruin to a masterpiece of design and power. It's a symphony of restoration, where every replaced bolt and polished surface sings its part. Behold the rebirth. The garage doors slide open, and a beam of sunlight catches the newly sculpted lines of the 2026 Kia camper van. It emerges not as a memory, but as a vision of the future. Its sleek 4x4 design exudes a quiet confidence, the deep metallic paint shifting in the light. This is more than a restoration. It's an evolution. The final sequence is pure cinematic poetry. We see the van charging through winding mountain passes, its powerful engine humming a song of freedom. It glides along coastal highways, the sunset reflecting off its polished exterior. It is no longer a prisoner of the past, but a conqueror of new horizons, a rolling sanctuary of elegance and untethered power. It's a testament to the idea that with vision and passion, even the most neglected soul can be reborn to chase the sun once more.